To do a takeoff on an item that has a radius edge or an arc to it, it's quite simple. Just going to demonstrate that with the area tool here. What you're going to do is start digitizing, and I'm just going to start on my straight length, and I'm going to click a point directly before the radius starts here, and then immediately I'm going to hit my A key, and you'll see that the tooltip on the cursor changed to say click middle point of arc. So I'm just going to select somewhere along my radius here, and I'm just going to go and finish that at the end point of the arc. Now I'm going to continue down to the next start point, hit my A key somewhere along the middle, doesn't have to be exact, the end, start, middle, and you'll see for this last point I'm just going to hit the C button on my keyboard to close it out.